James.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall and face it all together. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall and face it all together at skyfall. Where you go, I go. What you see, I see. Put your hand in my hand and we'll stand. Let the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall and face it all together. Let the sky fall. We will stand tall and skyfall. At skyfall.
Jay, you never let us down, singing a big James Bond song and looking a bit like a young James Bond. You're versatile, you're consistent, you've got a great work ethic. You're going to go far in the competition.
Thank you.
You know what? I don't particularly like that song. But having said that, you made me like the song, surprisingly. You know, your ad-libs at the end, the whole presentation. I really wanted to hate it, but I didn't, so well done.
I think the production, again, for me, saved you tonight, because for me, personally, it's just my opinion. If you're going to sing Skyfall, and I mean, Adele sings that with such passion, you have to have a bit more suave, you know, a bit more like James Bond. I was just missing some performance. I didn't feel it, I'm sorry.
Just to remind you, sweetie, it's a singing competition, not an acting competition.
You don't have to talk to me. Listen, just to remember, don't ever criticise my performers in the future about their performance then, OK? Let's just straighten that one out. Now talk to your act.
Someone's in a good mood. Jay, you know what's great about you is that you're respecting the people who are tuning in and voting for you, because you come back every week and you get better and better and better. You do. And to sing an Adele song, a James Bond song, which is so iconic, and to turn it into your version, it's amazing.
Thank you, judges. Jay, sorry you have to hear the grown-ups rowing like that. I don't like it when Mum and Dad talk like that. How was that for you?
I was so nervous at the start of that.
Why so?
I don't know, it's just a big song, you know, but I love it. I absolutely love it, you know, and I felt I had control and stuff. I'm just loving it, it's wicked.
We are splitting hairs a little bit here, aren't we, judges? Come on, that was a great performance. Everyone at the studio seemed to love it. And I know there's a little story behind this little number as well, right?
Yeah, I got married in this tie, so...
Nice. You're married in the time?
Yeah,
well, we lent you that time to get married? All right, one more time. Give it up for Jay.
Thank you for watching. If you really want to know what goes on behind the scenes on X Factor, the gossip, the backbiting, the bitching, the fighting, importantly me, hit the subscribe button.